Hello, hello, good morning. My name is Jacqueline. I am a corporate flight attendant and welcome to my YouTube channel, Jacqueline Travels. Today is a very exciting day. It's exciting for me. I don't know how exciting it's gonna be for you, but today my plan is to organize my walk-in pantry in my kitchen. And this is actually the second time I will be organizing it since I've been a stay-at-home flight attendant since lockdown has started. But I don't know if it's because we're home so much or now I'm not laying over, so I'm eating all of my meals at home and Johnny and I are cooking more, but our pantry has become a disaster. It's shameful, I'm not proud, and today it's gonna get fixed. So what I wanna do before I start that though, obviously I'm gonna have a cup of coffee, and then I have another stay-at-home flight attendant, I think it's episode 5, that I will be editing for you guys. So today is stay-at-home flight attendant, episode 6. Let's get into it. All right, so I've got my station set up. I have plenty of notes for you. I've got my daily videos uploaded, my opening graphics. So now it's time to get this edited for you. I get such bad glasses lines from those, but it's too reflective in the lenses to talk to you with the glasses on, so we're just gonna deal with this for right now. My video is currently uploading to YouTube, and before I get to my big project of the day, I'm actually gonna go upstairs in our gym area. It's just like a small bedroom that we use as a gym. It's not anything fancy. And I'm gonna do a workout that my sister sent to me because we're trying to hold each other accountable and be fit and eat healthy. I'm doing this with a bunch of different people, so it's definitely motivating. When I have my flight attendant schedule and I'm going on layovers, I generally hit the hotel gym up right when I get there, and I'm just not as motivated being home, but doing this challenge with my sister and with some of my girlfriends has definitely helped. So before I get to organizing my pantry, I'm gonna get a workout in. I am all showered, as you can tell with this wet hair, and I'm done with my exercise, and now I'm finally ready to tackle the disaster that's behind me. So I'm just gonna take everything out and throw it onto the island, and we'll just see how organized I can get from there. All right, so the contents of our pantry, this shamefully isn't even all of it, has taken up the entire kitchen island. And we didn't find any surprises, or I guess since I'm doing this by myself, I didn't find any surprises. I knew all of this stuff was in here, but when it's laid out like this, we just have so much stuff going on in that pantry. And this is what is still currently remaining in the pantry that I need to clear out. It's semi-organized. It's our biscotti and coffee cookies, some coffee stuff, teas, and then we've got a bunch of wines up there. It's very necessary to have a piñata in your household. Just stuff, a Beatles lunchbox that I will never use, but it's just fun. Flour, and then more alcohol up top. So I've got a lot of space. I just have to organize it in a better way than I had done in the past. Really quick, I want to show you guys, I won a hex-clad pan from Level 8. They are a corporate aviation catering company based in New York, and they do work with clients in Florida and LA, I believe. And they had a contest on Instagram, and they sent me this beautiful pot, and I cannot wait to start cooking in it. So this was a pantry find just because I haven't washed it yet. So obviously I've kept it separate from my normal pots and pans, but I love it. Thank you, Level 8 Catering. If you are in New York or Florida and possibly LA, I'll have to check on that. They are a great catering company to work with. Well, cleaning has helped me become a more rich person. We've got this giant thing of change. It's so heavy. But right now, a lot of people aren't even accepting cash, so we just haven't contributed to this for a long time. And also, like, what do you do with this? I don't know if banks even take change anymore, and I don't want to pay a fee for a coin counter. So, I don't know. We've just got this sitting around, but it was a fun find. Does anyone want to guess how much is in there? I'm almost done loading everything into the pantry. This is the aftermath of what is left, and you can kind of see it's very clean in there. It looks very nice. I'm quite happy with it, but I'm also starving. So I just took out some of these baby Bella mushrooms that I picked up from Whole Foods, and I'm gonna make a little mushroom risotto for myself for lunch. All right, are you guys ready for the big reveal? Let's do it. Ah, doesn't it look so nice? And I've got space for things. My piñata got to stay, and everything is just set up nice, and it's got a home. And there's room for little Lola to check things out. There's also plenty of room for me to move around in here, so I'm pretty excited about this whole thing. It took forever. My hair is now completely dry. I've made lunch. I've got to eat something though. This took way longer than I had anticipated it taking. I'm starving. I tried something new. I showed you guys the mushroom risotto. I got the idea because I had mushrooms in my refrigerator that I needed to use. But when we are in Panama for layovers, whenever I work as a flight attendant, one of our favorite restaurants has the most delicious mushroom risotto. I always order it for my lunch or dinner, and then I always have it as an option for my passengers. So I've never made risotto before. I don't know what I was thinking. I may be overly confident, but I tried to duplicate it based on how I remember it tasting, and now I'm gonna try it and I'll let you know how it turned out. Okay, this is so good. I impressed myself, not even gonna lie. I like devoured it, it's almost gone, but I sent a picture to the pilots and I was like, hey, guess what I figured out how to make? And they're super excited, especially since, oh, Lola, get off the table, you know you're not allowed on there. I'll get her down when I'm done eating. What was I saying? Oh, so the pilots are very excited. I told them I would definitely make this for us when we start flying again, when that ever happens. But especially because we're not going international for a while, so we won't be able to go to Panama to get this mushroom risotto. So I'm happy that I figured it out. Quarantine's been good to me in the sense that I've improved my cooking skills. So let me finish eating. I'll chat with you guys in a bit. All right, I just heard from Johnny and he actually has to work late tonight. So I'm gonna be manning the grill. I know how to operate it. Usually I just get things going and then someone else takes over. Like we had my dad here and I had every intention of grilling for everyone, but my dad took over, which was totally fine. It gets too hot out there. But this is what I have, some bacon wrapped jalapenos. And then when those are done, I will put a salad together and that's gonna be our dinner tonight. Grilling was a success. Right now I've got the jalapenos staying warm in the oven and I'm gonna make a salad for us. And apparently I'm gonna spend lots of time giving Lola little pet scratches. She's meowing at my feet. Gonna say hi to everyone? You say hi, Lola? And then for the salad dressing, I'll mix olive oil, lemon, salt and pepper, and some anchovy paste. And then salad is ready. Hey you guys, so I realized I never finished talking to you the other night, but I definitely want to thank you guys for checking out my stay-at-home flight attendant video and cleaning this closet with me. I definitely appreciate it. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you guys have questions, comments, thoughts, or concerns, post them down below for me. If you're looking for me on social media, @JackTravels is my Twitter. It's JAC Travels. And my Instagram is Jacqueline Travels, just like it is here on YouTube. So thank you again very much for coming by.